Today I will show you 4 types of zipper used in sewing. Choose the right zipper is important because every garment needs a different zipper. Invisible zipper. First, the invisible zipper. The zipper is hidden in the seam. From the outside, you almost cannot see it. It is often used in dresses and skirts. It helps the garment to look clean and elegant. Nylon zipper. Second, the nylon zipper. This is a very common zipper. The teeth are made of plastic or nylon. It is flexible and easy to sew. It is used in skirt, pants, bags, and many everyday garments. Jacket zipper. Third, the jacket zipper. This zipper is separate. That means it can open completely at the bottom. It is used in jackets, hoodies, and coats. Metal zipper. 4. The metal zipper. This zipper has metal teeth. It is stronger and more durable. It is often used in jeans and jackets. Sometimes it is also used as decoration. In the sewing, it is important to choose the right zipper for your garment. If you want me to teach how to sew this zipper, tell me in the comments. And Kairaba sewing is not a hobby, it's income.